In the movie Click with Adam Sandler, his character Michael gets a remote control that lets him fast forward through life's toughest moments, only to realize that he's missing the most meaningful parts. You see, when he's stuck in autopilot, he's living without intention, and his relationships and joys slip away. This story reminds us how crucial it is to be present and mentally rehearse the future that we want instead of skipping through challenges. We need to visualize the person we want to become. And when we practice this daily, imagining not just the actions but the emotions, we align our thoughts and our feelings with our future. Why does this matter? Being overwhelmed and stressed isn't how you were meant to live. A deregulated nervous system doesn't serve you. But the good news is you don't have to stay stuck in that state, and I'm here to help you bridge the connection between your heart and your mind, bringing ease and alignment into your life. Your brain doesn't know the difference between real and vividly imagined experiences. And when you mentally rehearse success, your mind starts to embody those emotions and guide you towards the right action. So take 5 minutes to imagine the future you want, feel it deeply, and walk through life as if it's already yours. Where your intention goes, your energy flows. So imagine your brain as a radio with different channels. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain what each of these brainwaves do, but before I go on, I want to tell you about what's happening in your head through the interpretation of frequency. And I want to also tell you about my course, I Am Genius. This course is designed to help you understand your mind and consciousness at a deeper level. In this course, you'll explore hypnosis, self-hypnosis, brain functions, and mental rehearsal practices to help you quantum leap toward the life you desire. Now, you'll discover that creativity, not money, is the real currency for building the future you want. Relationships and intentional energy are the key to success. So if you're ready to join this transformative journey, sign up for my newsletter to be notified when this course goes live. Now, I'm going to explain what's happening in your brain by interpreting what these frequencies are doing in your head. Let's start with the first one, delta waves. Delta waves is your super sleep mode. This is the slowest channel. It's like playing a lullaby while you sleep deeply. It's the repair mode where your body heals while your brain is at rest. And then there's theta, the daydream mode. This channel plays the dreamy music, like when you're almost asleep or lost in your imagination. It's great for creativity and relaxation. Then there's alpha waves. This is your chill mode. Alpha is the calm and focused station, like listening to soft background music while relaxing. And this is a state you enter during meditation, where your mind is awake and at ease. Then there's beta waves, get it done mode. Beta waves play fast-paced music when you're thinking, working on problems or solving, or like being in a school or doing chores. Gamma waves is the fastest and the sharpest channel. It's like processing lots of information very quickly. It's when your brain is hard at work. When you're lying in bed and almost asleep, you're in theta. And suddenly you remember you forgot to lock the door. So your brain switches from being in that dreamy state, theta, to fast problem-solving state, beta. So you rush, you get out of bed, you walk through your house, you go lock the door and set the alarm, unless it's connected to your iPhone. And then you finish off with relaxing music as you settle down into a calm, relaxing state, which is alpha. And then you drift off into delta waves where your body repairs itself for another day. This is your genius. Hi, I'm Dr. Antonika, a conscious Eastern and integrative medicine doctor, and on this channel, I share insights on transformative practices to help you live a more aligned and intentional life. If you value the information that you see here, please like and share, and subscribe and support my journey. I'm looking to grow this community, and I would love your help. It would mean the world to me. Also, check out the description box for links to my website where I dive deeper into the topics and offer more resources for you. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.